Most of the tissue papers that were used by their customers normally are being kept and handed over to the trafficker.
Operatives of the Ogun State Security Network Agency, known as Amotekun Corps, recently raided a sex trafficking camp in a local government area, resulting in the arrest of 16 suspects. 14 of the victims were trafficked from Akwa Ibom, while others were from Cross River and Delta states. During interrogation, the victims revealed they were forced to swear an oath while naked and had parts of their hair cut for rituals, which prevented them from escaping.
She told us, let me swear. Then she cut our hair. Then we stand naked in the Bible and swear. Then some of us, she cut cotton wood and put inside our body and remove it.
The National Agency for the Prohibition of Trafficking in Persons, NAPTIP, has also received victims and suspects, with ongoing investigations to locate others involved in the trafficking network.
Some of them came with various infections, some of them are HIV positive, one is pregnant. So these are some of the consequences of human trafficking for any form of exploitation, especially sexual exploitation.
Join us for a special package this Saturday on Saturday Special, March 8, 2025, between 8 and 9 p.m. Don't miss it.